One of the first things that you'll want to do when you log into Sharpr is to install the Sharpr tool. The Sharpr tool is an online extension that allows you to clip any online article and file it into Sharpr. To download the Sharpr tool, all you have to do is go to the burger menu here on the left-hand side, drop down into Training, and you'll be taken to this page here. Then you will click this Install Sharpr Tool button. And all you have to do is click the Sharpr Tool button here and then drag and drop it over your bookmarks toolbar. Be careful to not drag it up here in the URL or just under. We want it right in the center in the middle of your favorites toolbar or your bookmarks toolbar. If you need to find how to surface your bookmarks toolbar, normally you can go to Menu here on the top right, or you can do a quick Google search on how to make sure it shows. The Sharpr tool works on all versions of Firefox and Chrome. If you happen to be on Internet Explorer or Safari, make sure to update your browser to the most recent version, and then the Sharpr tool will work just fine. In addition, you'll also notice that there is a blue Sharpr tool button here. This button is meant for folks who have very high security clearances. Otherwise, most of our clients are using the orange Sharpr tool button and it works perfectly. Now you are ready to use the Sharpr tool that we just installed. When you come across an article as you're browsing and you want to bring it into Sharpr, all you have to do is click the Sharpr tool button. What you'll notice here is it will automatically scan the article for its title. It'll generate a 3-paragraph auto summary here, and it will also scrape the page for any images. And you can choose amongst the different options here in the carousel. You'll have the option to organize your content down here on the right, and you can also add your insight up here at the top. We have additional training videos that speak to categories, tags, and classifications, which are different ways to organize content here on Sharpr. We also have other training videos that go over how to upload other documents and media onto the Sharpr platform. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@sharpr.com.